Four major changes have been made in UK immigration, and all of the four changes are not really good. They will affect a lot of people coming to the UK in 2025, and the people which will come after 22 July. So these all changes are made and will be implemented after 2025, and the date will be 22 July. So let's break down these four changes. What are they, and how will they affect people living in UK and the people that will come to UK in future. Let's get straight into it. Sponsorship level has been increased. Previously you could get a sponsorship of a level 3 job, but now it's been mandatory that Home Office has now made changes that you can get sponsorship for only highly skilled job or level 6 or above jobs. So you need to be graduated as well. So people, previously people can come on construction visas and like butchers. So they are low skilled jobs. Level 3 and level 4 jobs. So but now it's hard to get a sponsorship for that. Not hard, actually finished. Home Office have changed the rule and the changes are implemented now. So you can't get into the UK on low skills job. You have to be highly skilled. So the sponsorship level has been increased. The second major change is the increase in salary threshold. So the salary threshold has now been increased, and it's I think 41,700 currently, and it will be monthly 3,475. So let's be honest, it's very hard to get this job as your first job or entry level job in UK. It's, this salary is for highly skilled people, so it's very hard to get sponsorship because of this salary threshold. This will increase your tax as well. The number third change is the dependents. No dependents are allowed on low level jobs. Let's say if Home Office announce a temporary list which contains job vacancies for low skilled people like construction or butchers or low skills job, so you can apply on them, but they will be temporary. So it depends upon which vacancy they allow and which vacancy they don't allow. They didn't provide the list yet, but they will provide as they ask. And but you won't be, if you come here, you won't be able to take your family with you. You are not allowed to bring dependents on low level jobs or level 4 or 5 jobs, but you are allowed on level 6 and level above than level 6. So this is another major changes that Home Office has made, and which will impact thousands of people which are planning to come UK and wants to bring their family. Let's move on to the last change that Home Office has made, and which will impact number of people coming to UK, which is the ban of care worker visa. Yes, you will not be able to get care worker visa sponsorship anymore. It's the most popular skilled worker visa that Home Office have banned, because there is a lot of scams going on in this category. So Home Office has now officially banned this visa, and no one from overseas come to UK on this visa anymore. But there is another point. You can continue your skilled worker visa if you are in UK, and you can get jobs in this category if you are in the UK, but you can't secure job outside the UK, from outside the UK. Yes, this is the main point to discuss in this category. Now let's move on to the good news, which most of the students will definitely want to hear, that the Keir Starmer, the Prime Minister of UK, has announced that they will reduce the PSW time period from 24 months to 18 months. But in these changes, they have made no change in the PSW. So you can continue your PSW until 24 months if you are coming to UK. So this is another good news. You can get more time to secure sponsorship in UK and earn some money. That's it for today. I will be back with another video and will be sharing interesting facts with you. See you in the next video.